Italian beef roll-ups are on the menu today, and Buzz Cooks is showing you the way to make this family favorite the right way. So let's get cooking. You're gonna need thin sliced top round. Lay it on the board, give it a few shots with them.
All right, let's get cooking. We got this top round, thinly sliced. We're going to pound it a little thinner, even it out. Then we're going to spread a nice layer of garlic butter right on top. I just bought this at the grocery store. Works great. And once we get that spread on our beef, we're going to come back with Italian breadcrumb and give a nice little layer on top, just like that. Then we're going to turn the board and we're going to roll this up nice and tight. And that is it. So we've got a few more of these to do. And once we get them all rolled up, I'm going to get my glass baking dish out. And we're going to place all of our beef roll-ups in there. I sprayed it with a little bit of non-stick, so everything comes out nice and easy. And once we get all these inside, we're going to hit them with a little bit of olive oil. And then salt and pepper. Just like that. And then we're going to put these into the oven at 350 degrees for just about 30 minutes. They'll cook pretty fast because they are thin. So once we get all these salt, pepper, season, and all that in the oven, we're going to make our pesto, non-traditional. So what you're going to need is baby arugula, olive oil, salt, pepper, a couple of garlic cloves, some Romano or Parmesan cheese, and plain roasted pistachios. So go get your food processor. I've already got mine out. And we're going to start off by putting in the cheese, just a few pieces, and 2 garlic cloves, and our pistachio. Now we'll put in some olive oil. There we go. And then we're going to fire this up and get this semi-smoothed out. All right, next we're going to, once this gets smoothed out, we're going to come back with a dash of lemon juice. And then we're going to get our arugula, our baby arugula, and start to push it into our food processor. And then we'll just add arugula, olive oil, salt, black pepper until we get the desired thickness. We don't want it as thin as you would use pesto in a pasta dish. We want it a little bit thicker because it's going to be the base for our beef roll-ups. So while I'm doing that, if I can remind you to please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell to stay up to date on newest recipes. New video every Wednesday, every Sunday. Hit that like, hit that bell, hit that hype. I appreciate you all very much. All right, and a little olive oil. And we'll hit it again. And it'll be just about time to take the meat out of the oven. So what we're going to do, once this pesto's all done, is we'll put pesto on the plate. And then we'll put 2 beef roll-ups on top of the pesto. And then we'll freshly grate some Romano cheese right over the top of that beef roll-ups. And you have a Vegas classic appetizer, or you can serve it with some pasta and turn it into a full-blown entree. But let me tell you, these things are simple, but they are so delicious, and this pesto is amazing. So give this a try. I think everybody's going to love it. It's a like I said, a super great appetizer. It's a Vegas classic. And it's not very expensive. And if anything, this pesto recipe, I think you're going to like it better than the original pine nuts and basil style. It's got a little kick to it with the arugula. Hey, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.
Italian beef roll-ups are on the menu today, and Buzz Cooks is showing you the way to make this family favorite the right way. So let's get cooking. You're gonna need thin sliced top round. Lay it on the board, give it a few shots with the mallet, just to even it out. Now spread on a nice layer of garlic butter. Come back with Italian breadcrumbs, then roll it up nice and tight. Into the baking dish they go. Top them off with a little olive oil, fresh black pepper and sea salt. That's looking right. Now into the firebox at 350 degrees. 30 minutes should do just fine. Now for the magic, our amazing pesto sauce. A few small pieces of Romano cheese, some plain roasted pistachios if you please, 2 garlic cloves, and top drawer extra virgin olive oil. Fire up that food processor until it's almost nice and smooth. Now add your baby arugula, some salt and pepper, and as it's mixing you may need a little more oil. But remember, we want this thick, not runny. Alright, our meat is done. Time to plate, lay down that amazing pesto, then place 2 Italian beef roll-ups right on top. Now hit it with fresh grated Romano cheese, and you have yourself one amazing appetizer. Or serve it up with some pasta and turn it into a full entree. And remember to like, share, subscribe, hit that bell. New videos every Sunday and Wednesday. And hey, keep cooking.